Going to make quick keema and aloo cutlets out of some leftover keema, and I'll give you the rough measurements of the keema and all that went inside it. So I have one medium-sized potato that's boiled and mashed and chili grated, and I have about 3/4 cups of keema, and it has half a green chili, a tablespoon of cilantro, some salt, some paprika, about a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of paprika. Salt is, again, we will adjust the salt later. About a half to a quarter onion, finely chopped. And so now I'm going to mix these two together. I've added a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, and sorry, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. And I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And I'm going to give it all a mix. The salt is to your taste. This look like, and I've beaten some egg, and I added some salt and paprika. And regular breadcrumbs, you'd probably use them. I do not have them. I'm using panko, so whatever you have at home, use it. So I am going to cover them up with some panko. You can cover them up with breadcrumbs. Put them in the breadcrumbs. I will dip them in the egg mixture and then shallow fry them about 7 to 10 minutes on both sides. So we will dip them in egg mixture and then shallow fry them. So we will shallow fry them on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, between medium and low heat. So our cutlasses are draining on a paper towel. My cutlets are ready. Enjoy them with any sauces you like, or just by themselves.